Hey everyone, if you want to build websites, apps, and AI-powered projects directly from your phone or tablet, Bolt AI makes it possible to work even when you're away from your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bolt AI on mobile from start to finish in 2026. First, open your mobile browser and visit the Bolt AI website. Sign in to your account using your email address, Google account, GitHub account, or another available login method. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Bolt AI dashboard where you can access existing projects or create a brand new one. To start a project, tap Create New Project and enter a prompt describing what you want to build. This could be a website, landing page, web app, portfolio, dashboard, or another type of project. Be as specific as possible when writing your prompt. Include details about the design, features, functionality, and overall goal of the project. After submitting the prompt, allow Bolt AI to generate the project. Depending on the complexity of the request and your connection speed, this may take a few moments. For the best results, use mobile devices for quick edits, testing, and project management, while reserving complex development tasks for desktop environments whenever possible. And that's how to use Bolt AI on mobile in 2026. Whether you're creating projects, reviewing designs, or making updates on the go, Bolt AI gives you the flexibility to work from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.